In this video, learn how to create stunning, high-quality illusion artwork images in just a few clicks. To begin your illusion artwork journey, simply visit the Illusion Diffusion website. Next, select the shape of the illusion. We really like the spiral one. Pick whichever shape you like and adjust this slider right here to control the illusion strength on your result image. Next, the prompt box. Type in anything that suits your imagination. You can create as many elements as you like. We're going with this for now. Finally, click on Run. Now, it might take some time to generate your artwork. Once done, the output is ready for your use. Isn't it amazing? Just take a look at some of this art that we created using this tool. This tool's versatility is endless. Experiment with different genres, objects, and scene ideas. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology.